Hello and welcome to a tutorial on installing Pfsense in Hyper-V. First off, I'll be showing you my virtual switch. As you can see, I have one internal only virtual switch and I have one external virtual switch which is hooked up to my NIC, my external NIC. We will make a new virtual machine, give it a name, and select Generation 1. Choosing Generation 1 will use some legacy hardware, and that is the only option we have here that we can actually use to install Pfsense. We will keep the 512 megabytes of RAM and not use any of the NICs. We'll change the size of the virtual machine, select the boot ISO, and finish. To actually make this work, we need to remove the old NIC, add a legacy one, connect it externally, and add a second one which will connect internally. We connected the virtual machine and start up. We do not want to set up the VLANs. The WAN connection is a DE0 and the LAN is a DE1. We do accept these settings. Now the problem here is that, as you can see, it's halting at configuring one WAN interface. The problem is that the DE interfaces do not seem to automatically turn themselves into DHCP clients, so they do not accept any addresses that you give them automatically. So we will need to do a quick fix after Pfsense is completely installed. I will get back to you after it's done. Pfsense is now installed and booted up, but it does not have a WAN address. To fix this, we will go into shell and vi to the following: etc/rc.local. We will add the following configuration here: if config DE0, which is our WAN, we'll put it down. If config DE0 again, we'll put it up again. So we're basically disconnecting and connecting it again. And we will DH client DE0. Hit escape. W semicolon WQ to quit. And now we will give this file root access by chmodding it. Voila. Reboot. This system is now rebooted, but still does not have a WAN address. This is because the script does not run at boot, and you just need to hit enter. You will see the script running, and you will see that it gets an offer from my router, and you see that it got an address. Voila. Now this client has an address. The only thing now left is that I'm going to change the LAN address. Hit 2. We want to change the LAN. So we'll give it a class B address. 16. Do not. And we do not want to configure DHCP yet. Yes, we do. Just for testing. As you can see, I now have a WAN that is DHCP, and I have a dedicated IP for my LAN. So now let's see if there is connection in Windows 8. As you can see, I've already pre-configured the address to point to our Pfsense internal LAN side, and as you can see, this looks promising. Let's close this and go to internet. Looks promising, and let's surf to the address. Voila. The login is admin, and the password is Pfsense. As you can see, Pfsense is now running perfectly. One of the things you do need to note is that when changing addresses, as in if you change this LAN address or if you change the WAN address, you will need to reboot the machine. It is really sensitive when you change settings. It does need to be rebooted quite often. I would definitely not use this in a production environment. It is not ready for that. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope I helped you.